Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. We are going in Walmart to do our Walmart coupon haul for the week of 4/11 to 4/17. We're gonna go in here and hopefully get some cheapies, find some great Ibotta deals. I got a lot of Ibotta deals, so let's go and do those. Okay guys, Walmart got a dollar shop. Like I did look, they got all this little like $3 to $5. I think it's $1 to $5. So here's a dollar magnet. So yeah, it is. So see, $5, $3. What's that? Little paint. Oh, it's an art tray. So look at that. I got some of this. This is fine. Frozen carry-on, it's markers and stuff. Okay, so I didn't see that, and they actually are still putting it out. So what are these? Fake lemons. Oh, that's cute. Okay, alrighty. A spoon rest. That's to rest your wet spoon on. I need that. Okay, it's right in this little area right here. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we in here, guys. I'm over here first. I always check the clearance aisles before I do anything, especially when I have makeup coupons, because I'm looking for CoverGirl, Revlon, and some more stuff. Okay, we want to use those for overage if we can, or we'll look for some Revlon and submit it back to Ibotta for $3 on each one. Today is the last day to do that, guys. Guys, look at these. Have you guys used these body wipes? They $5. They call Hustle and Clean. I'm gonna get these because I'm gonna put them in my bag. I do go to the health club, but I do take a shower also. But I want to try those. Yes, guys, my whole body is sore. I just started back to health club. Is this the clearance over here? Let me scan this because look at all of that. Look at all those doves. So I'm gonna see if this is a clearance. Let me see how much. And these masks are $4, and it's 5 of them in a pack. So that's a good deal too. Look, they all colorful masks. Those are so nice. $4. I think that's a good deal. $4 for 5 masks. And then they got one with the different days of the week. Because trust and believe, I know somebody done. Baby, I drink coffee. I cannot wear one mask 2 days in a row. I don't know how they do it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we got our 2 Niveas now. They never have these when I come. Now this is $2.48. We have the $4 off 2 lotions. Now this hand lotion. It says face, body, hands. So this might work. I'm gonna try this one instead of the regular ones we usually try. I did put them in my basket already because it was tons of people and I didn't want them to take. These are $2.92, but those are $2.48. So the $4 off 2 should work. It does say hand, face, and body. So we'll try those. And I'm still trying to find a checkout to see how much the taxes was on it. Hey guys, look what they got over here. Pop Tarts are $1 for the 16 count. $1. 16 count. I'm gonna grab the cookies and cream, and I'm gonna grab the s'mores for the kids to see. I don't know why they so cheap, but I will try for them since they are nothing but $1. Wow, that's a great deal right there. Okay, guys, so make sure you check out their exclusive. Look at that. 4-pack composition, 50 cents. I'm grabbing that because I am looking for the crayons, which my cousin steady finding. I cannot find any. So 50 cents, guys, 4-pack composition pads. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab 2 Bounce the 80 count at $3.94, and I'm going to use 2 of the P&G's $3 coupons, and it's going to be 97 cents. Okay, I'm going to grab 2 Purex crystals at $2.97, and you know, look at that, guys, that ain't even full. Now I'm not, okay, here, I'm going to grab this one, it's full, and I'm going to grab this one because this full. It's $2.97. Let me see how heavy. I swear these is not heavy. Okay, this one a little heavy. Let me see how much. Okay, these 2 are heavy. Look, you can see the crystals stop. They ought to be shamed. Now look at that. The all is $4. I used to buy that all the time when it was first on sale. It was new and it came out. I was a fan of that one. Now don't forget, guys, these are still on Ibotta. These alls are. Okay, and these are the coupons I'm going to use for the Purex crystals. They came out in this week's insert. Go look at that video so you can see exactly what coupons I am using. I did not get to do a coupon preview this week, guys. I am really backed up with family issues going on. $4. These are $4. They on clearance. I only found 2 though. So, and that's the regular price of them. These are the Perseus stain part, the new ones. So I'm gonna get these. These are $2 a piece. I feel like I hit a jackpot. You guys know I love Perseus. So they have a lot of laundry detergent just on clearance. They had clearance stuff, a Gain Ultra for $17. That's expensive. But they did, look at that, a Gain Fling for $3. So if you had that good Gain coupon, you paid $1 for that. Tide Studio right here. Let me see, I got a Tide Studio. Let me see. Let me see that coupon right quick. Yep, here it is. It's a $2 coupon right there. So this will be $1.50. I never bought this, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. They $4.50. We got a $2 off coupon, I'm sorry. So that will make these $2.50 each. And by the way, guys, I am paying for this using my Ibotta. Okay, so I have $78 in Ibotta. See this coupon right here? This is for the pounds, okay? 97 cents. There we go. Here's the $2 for the Perseus, making them $2 each because it was a clearance. Yay! I got 2. Oh my goodness, look at that big Arm & Hammer for $5. I'm grabbing this. Oh my God, guys, get to Walmart. They are having a laundry clearance. This giant Arm & Hammer, free and clear, 107 loads, $5. Look, Era, $7. There it is back there, $7. Okay, so let's go over our coupon haul so we can get to our bottle stuff. Coupon, we're gonna get the 2 Purexes for $1 off. They was $2.97. We're gonna get the 2 Niveas for buy 2 get $4 off. They were $2.48. This Arm & Hammer no coupon is $5. We're gonna get the 2 Perseus for $2. They're $4 clearance. You saw that. I'm gonna use 2 of the coupons that came in this insert and pay $2 a piece for these. Yay! Then I'm gonna get the Studio, which was $4.50, and I have a $2 coupon off, making these $2.50. Those I knew I never tried. Then we're gonna do the Bounce at $3.97, and we're gonna use 2 of the $3 Bounce from the P&G. Okay, so let's get ready to go. And don't forget, these were 50 cents for 4 in the composition. These Pop-Tarts for 12 was $1. And I don't know if I'm going to get the Hustle Wipes. Now that I done found all this clearance stuff, I done got cheap. Okay, so let's continue. Let's start some Ibotta hauls, okay? Okay, so they're candy kittens. Where are they? Okay, well, I guess these are it. Say $2.47. And on Ibotta, it say free after that. But I guess because they're not $2.47, you only gonna get $1.48 for them. But if you were somewhere in a Walmart that did a Klondike coupon for $1 off, okay? Remember, when you register, well, this say Klondike Donuts triple chocolate $1.50. I got 2 of these coupons, so I'm gonna see if they work on this one. Here's a Klondike Dale's Junior Bar. Okay, checker flag. Let's try both of those. That donut don't look good. So I'm gonna try these. They're $1.50. So if they work, they should be 50 cents because that coupon is for $1 off. Let me show it to you. And here is the coupon. You see that at the Klondike is the registered trademark. That's why this should work on any Klondike product. So we're gonna try it and see. If it don't, I'll let you guys know. Okay, guys, it's a go. Every single coupon. It came up to $63. In the end, it was $43. Yeah, see, I did have a little EBT on there, but hey, I get it sometimes when I can. Guys, oh my God. It's right here, guys. Betty Crocker peanut butter. The cookie cups, I gotta see how much they are. Because you get $1.50 back. So I'm gonna pull a couple boxes up to 5 times, okay? So we're gonna go and scan and see how much they got. Any size. Okay, so they $2.50. You get $1.50 back, okay? So I'm gonna buy one of those because the kids wanted them. Let's see what our Ibotta haul look like. So this is our Ibotta haul. I'm gonna get $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 back between these 4 items. Okay, guys, Sunday is Walmart's markdown on their meat. See that? That's $4.37. You gotta look because if you don't get here early in the morning, you'll lose out on a lot of. That's $5.42. But like I said, dig up under there because a lot of times they have the cheaper stuff, but the more expensive on top. Here is something, $2.71. These are $2.89 each. They just lowered them to $2.89. They was $4.58. $2.71, $2.71. Okay, those big ground turkeys is $5.90. Oh, what's this? This ground turkey Purdue, $3.34. See how they reduce all of that? Okay, guys, Walmart, yes, it is a go. My stuff started at $63.43 in the end. Every coupon came off, every one of them. So go get that, guys. Bye.